Okay, this is a stone that was found in the Atlantic Ocean. It has features of a red mark on each cheek and on the top. It has a little hop to it because of its angle. And it kind of looks like a train in the front. It looks like a shoe with the enclave. This is totally natural, as you can see. It's not, this is how it manifested itself. How it might have like blown out of a rock. I believe some of these came from space because, as you see, when there's something that comes down our atmosphere, it lights up, but then you also see like a little rock that just keeps flying, and it usually goes in the ocean or it hits the ground, and people find them sometimes. So this could be from outer space, you know, as there's activity on other planets, there's activities on the sun. You know, the sun sends a flash, we feel that the wave comes here. So it could be either or, you know, stuff that flew into the ocean. It could be a toy from another world. But getting these tested, they're basically like loose diamonds, and you could say like precious quartz. But they're like basically these stones that they find in the ocean. They have been known to be that, which is basically precious quartz. And if you work on them, like, you know, you do the work and you densify them yourself with heat in the vice grips, then you can make them more dense, and then you cut them, and they cut diamonds. They're loose diamonds of the sea. So that's what they basically are. If you look closer, you may see it's a little bit see-through. See that? It's a little bit. You see that transparent right there? Yeah. So I'm putting it for auction. It's totally natural. Those, you know, two red cheeks, a red cheek in the front, bullet train face, and then you have the back heel. Looks like a shoe. This is totally natural. Um, how this formed is a mystery, but it was found in you know, mining in the ocean, in special spots for miners. Okay, I hope you get it on the auction. One of a kind, and the materials are also one of a kind. I had them tested. They couldn't find it. They couldn't call it a quartz exactly, but they couldn't find it in their gem. But these cut into gems. So if you want to cut it or you want to keep it, like polish it or something, you can do that. But it's a gem. So basically you could polish this and keep it like this, you know, maybe cut a little like trims into it to make it glare. That's just a recommendation because it does have a cool shape to it, which is one of a kind for a jewel. This is a jewel right here. You basically, yeah, you heat this up, it becomes more clear, and then you cut it. You start trimming it, you know, like by using a grinder that you go like this. You know, you trim it, but you have to have you know. Okay, there it is. So um, as you see, it has a little hop to it, which is kind of cool. Totally natural toy.